Where?
Life is pain.
Maybe girls have some left.
How about beauty will save us from starving? So we come to the girls, make a good impression, and eat.
What are you doing here? What is this?
There's beauty in everything, but not everyone sees it.
Hey, my followers! My boys just give me pretty flowers.
Are you crazy? You totally messed up my nail.
Imperfection is beauty. Madness is genius.
Today is a bad day to start a new relationship.
The future belongs to those who believe in dreams.
Can I have a cookie?
You must clean up the mess, and then you will eat.
До речі, що там внутрі квіт? Він взагалі, я знов хочу розстатися, він якийсь тупий. Так? Він взагалі не розуміє, що мені потрібно квіти кожен день дарувати. А що тобі ті квіти заглянуть? Так, що він зробив? Розблокував? А він мене заблокував? Ти ж говорила, так?
Where?
Where is the cookie?
You can't trust girls.
Evil comes from women.
I remember I had one girl. Total nightmare.
If you can't win happiness, you can always bet on it. Let's go to the kids and win some food.
Yes, their parents definitely bought food for them.
What are we going to bet on?
Well, let's play.
Okay, come in.
Well, what are we playing for?
For pies. And you.
На 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Підпий. Собачка скривна. У мене котик, який держить клуб. Зарожка. Принцеса. Принцеса. Віночку. У мене зайчик. У мене дівчинка. Дівчинка на панку. І він. Ходили сердечком. Як все? Динозавр. Динозавр. Зайчик в тебе є. Зайчик.
You forgot your ball.
Game is evil.
I'm starving.
Art's supposed to keep you from going hungry.
So, what do we do?
Simple is the greatest of arts.
What can I do with this?
Just cover it up.
With what?
Well, you gonna say something?
Can we, Carol?
Come in.
So,
Well, the carol is 2 out of 10. The singing is fake. The stage walking is not good. There are no emotions.
For real.
Don't bear Chinta.
Who's Bear Chinta now?
You got 3 seconds to leave.
Listen, you.
Give a candy, please.
At least a cookie. And they say that arts help to live.
My hands are numb.
There is no art without pain, but it worth it.
exactly. Let's sing another song.
Oh, Auntie, you get anything for back pain? My back hurts so much that my stomach is sore that I'm hungry.
Here, hold this. I'll grab some ointment real quick. What about the ointment?
Life is pain. Where did you get that?
Bet he stole it.
I just asked.
Was it possible?
Not the strongest survive. But one who can change. Charles Darwin.